And you guys know all my videos are about saving money on hair. Do it yourself if you can at home in this economy. It's a cute pixie cut wig. Very affordable. I love it. When I saw the picture and I saw someone wearing it, I was like, I need to have this wig. I hope you guys love it too. It comes with this, and it comes with this hairnet as well. And that's it. Without further ado, let's see what it looks like. It was pretty on the picture. Like I said, I did saw it in person. I saw someone wearing it. I was like, this is cute. And my camera got cut or something. Anyway, so this is it, and the inside is it's breathable. You could get in there and really scratch in there if you need to. Yeah, and it's very lightweight too. Very lightweight. Let's try it on now. I hope I don't look like her grandma. Is this in the back? I think it is. It just needs a little trip to the salon. Curls are popping, but what's going on here though? It's like it's a little pointy. I don't know. I wish it had a comb around that area or in the back, but it doesn't. Maybe that was because it wanna keep it flat, but I'm pretty sure I did my cornrows flat. Yeah, this little part is sticking out a little too much for me. Yeah, maybe I'll have to do something about this part. But other than that, that was honestly very easy to put on. You don't need to be an expert or nothing. The easiest glueless wig that I have ever put on my head. I'm telling you right now. What do we think? I'll be adding this to my Amazon storefront under the wig section. It will be in there if you guys are interested in getting it. It's a cute hairstyle. If you're on the run, you need something quick to just throw on your head, I would get it. It's totally my style. And this is the final look. I did cut a little bit of the hair because it was covering up my ears, so I had to remove some. So yeah. My sideburns to look like this. And let me turn around.